Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I have a diamond painting to show you. I've been on Amazon and I've been using the Vipon coupons again. And yeah, I said I wasn't going to, but this one should normally be £11.59 and it was reduced to £5.79. And it says it's a 63-piece 5D diamond painting kit. So we will see what the 63 pieces are. I think it could be this enormous toolkit that's sat looking at me. Yeah. I've taken it out of the enormous box it came in. You know what Amazon are like. Why use a box that it would actually fit in, or a poly bag, when you can use a huge box that's about this size and the postman has to struggle with? Okay, so we have our diamond painting. Got a little bit squished, but hopefully it's poured glue, so we should be okay. And we have a very large toolkit. So I bet the 63 pieces include the grip seal bags, which is always a bit of a cheat, but never mind. We'll have a look. So this is from Hysagtek Direct, and it's 63 pieces. That's the company name there, if you're wanting to know where it's from. And as I say, it was on Amazon and it was on special offer. If you do have the Vipon app, that's Vipon, I'm not affiliated with them. I don't get any commission from them whatsoever. I don't even think they know I exist, other than the fact that I do buy a lot through them. But they're a great site for pointing out Amazon special offers. So particularly if you're, say, an Amazon Prime member, I think there is a US version of it as well. I do get emails sometimes with things in dollars, but certainly the UK one, if you're on Amazon Prime in the UK, then you get free next day delivery on it, which is fantastic. So, you know, you're paying £5.79 and you're not then having to add on postage, and it comes the next day, which is great. Yay! So let's have a look at this diamond painting and see what we got. Get into it. Okay, so it's a not sealed bag. All right, just pop that to one side. So we have, okay, ooh, a little bit squished. Oh, we've got DMC numbers, and we've got an inventory sheet, and we've got a toolkit. How strange. Oh, and it's in them little tiny baggies. Look, the 200 baggies. Oh no, my least favourite, but hopefully the good quality, so we won't mind so much. And it is a dream catcher. And to be fair, on the actual picture, I wasn't sure what particularly, it said it was a dream catcher, but you couldn't really see because it's so dark. You couldn't really see what it was. So I did order it a little bit blind. But I'm a sucker for a bargain, what can I say? As I say, at the moment, the Vipon app, it is an app, Vipon, has got a lot of offers on Amazon. You may find on some of them that the offers are already there, so you don't actually need the Vipon coupon, but you probably wouldn't know the offer was available unless you accidentally clicked on that item, because of course there's hundreds of diamond painting things on Amazon. So it's quite good to point you in the right direction, and it also means if there are special offers on, you can always save it for later as well, whereas the coupons go quite fast, and once the coupons have gone, then obviously you can't then order the item. But with the if it just shows you that there's a 50% deal on with that vendor, with that supplier, then you might find that, oh, if you don't get paid till next week, or you don't rent to spend any more money this month, you might still be able to get it next month if you put it in your save for later pile. So I've done that before as well. Can you tell? I do tend to speak from experience. Oh dear, yeah. Our little postman's going to be on our Christmas card list this year because he's delivered so many parcels. So that's just flattened it out a little bit. It's quite a nice canvas. It's a very soft canvas. Very nice. It's flattened out really well. Okay, so we have a really good size key code at both sides, and let's see, yeah, we've got 1 down to 8 is 1 to 8, which is excellent. There's no 3 10s, which is quite surprising, so we must have 9. Yeah, we've got 939. I thought we might have. because this background, if it's not 310, it's going to be 939. You could put a lot of sparklers in with that, or your AB gems or crystal gems. I'm definitely on a crystal gem kick at the moment. I do like the crystals, anything sparkly. I've definitely been a magpie when I've been here before, I'm sure, because I just love anything sparkly. So yeah, 22 colours, and they're all nice big capital letters, all clear. And we've got a lovely clear drill field. Sorry, it's a little bit glary. I think you could see that. Yeah, it's because it's got a little bit dark. It's coming up to 7 PM here in the UK. We are on British summertime now, so it is a little bit lighter in the evenings. But for whatever reason, although we've had a nice sunny day, it's gotten a little bit dark this evening. It better not rain. Right, let's have a quick look at these drills. So I wonder if we class the painting as one then on the toolkit. I might even count those bags. Let you all go to sleep while I count the bags. Instead of counting sheep, you're going to be counting little grip seal bags. Shall I put little sheep's faces on them all? Okay, so yeah, so that tells us the most we've got is 939, which is 9 bags, and most of them are just one bag, which is yeah, pretty good. Nice little inventory sheet there. Okay, oh, let's have a look at these colours. Wow, there's a gold lettering on the bags. They do seem to have switched to these. Now that must be more than 200. I wonder if they're 400. Do you think they're double size? Because they all seem to have switched to, oh, and they're all separate as well. Look, oh, this will be fun for kitting up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 939s. I think they are 400 bags. I think they've started doing the bags bigger instead of those daft little teeny tiny 200s. I mean, these are a step up. I still prefer the baggies or the snakes. And if you're going to do these, please put them all together. I'd hate to do a sort of like a huge, maybe 50 by 60 painting and have them all in separate little bags. You've suddenly got more than like 30, 40, 50 colours and you're having to dish out these. That would take quite a bit of doing. But, yeah, they look quite reasonable quality drills. They're a round one. I think you can see there. It doesn't look to be much, but it is round, so you tend to find that canvases are a little bit more forgiving with round drills. The squares tend to need to be really square and not have any knobbly bits on, but rounds you get a little bit of wiggle room from either side. So I've got a grey there and a brown. As I say, most of these are all single colours. Nice purpley colour. And another brown there, 838 and 839. It's good fun when you're kitting up in DMC number and you see sort of the colour families as they go along and you get all your different gradients of shades. Quite like doing that. Purples. Okay, and we've got some greens. Ooh, that's a nice palish green. Look at that one. That's a very vibrant green. And then that's like a sagey green. And then like a bluey green. Okay. Have a look at these. And the blue there, that's like a denimy blue and a pale blue. So that's just the only blues. And then we've got a nice egg yellow there. And some purpley pinks. Look at those, 2 bags of those. Love that colour. I used to have a cardigan that colour as well. I used to have an aqua one and a pink one. And I just wore them to death. They just fell apart. I was heartbroken because I couldn't get another one the same colour. So that's 601 and 603 are in the same colour families there. And that's a 223, like a rosy pink. And another beige and another purple. That's a 3834. And then like a bricky sort of reddy orangey colour, 3778. Okay. So the drills don't look too bad. You do need to do your painting before you do your drills. Right. Okay, before you do your drills, before you review your drills, brain's gone, brain's gone. Shouldn't be doing videos late on a night. So the little toolkit that comes with it, quite nice as well. We've got a sparkly pen with a single placer on. We have a little white flat-bottomed boat, a little piece of the pale sort of see-through pink wax. Okay, well, it's quite a big piece actually. And then some of the old multi-placers, which that one, I don't know where my multi-placer card's gone. Oh no, found it. Must do a new one. This is starting to look very old and tatty. Is that a 9? Is it a 10? No, it's not a... Ooh, no, it's a 9. So that's a 9 placer. And that's a 3 placer. And they are the old, quite thick ones. But so I've found now that if you're wanting to use wax with your projects, that these are pretty good for picking up your gems, your like crystal gems and your larger special drills. The large shaped ones, because you've got a bigger surface area to pick them up with if you're not wanting to use like wax or pretty placers or whatever. Then these are pretty good for doing that, and the thicker ones with the wider ends tend to be a little bit better in my opinion. If you've tried them, let me know. But yeah, so that's a pretty good toolkit to come with it. And then you get this. Okay, so let's have a look, Put those there. Turn this over and we'll have a look what we've got in here. 63 pieces. Okay. So we have some of our, oh look, lovely plasticky tweezers. Yay! My favourites. Not, but never mind. They are what they are. I'm sure somebody finds a use for them. We have 2 pink pens with single placers, and I think that is possibly, ooh, that's a 6 placer on that one. Something next to me has just slipped and fallen and made me jump out of my skin. I don't know whether you heard it, but I just heard this like scratching noise, and I'm trying to talk to him, what is that? And then all of a sudden it's just like a grip bag that has got a zip on it that's just fallen, made me jump out my skin. Right, carry on Liz, carry on. I think that is a 9 placer as well. So we've got a 9 placer and a 6 placer. That's quite unusual actually. Okay, so that's that. What's in this one? Oh, and that's a 3 placer. So we've got 3 pens. Right, that's 4 things. We've got a straightener. Now these are very useful if you're not good at putting your drills down straight. These have a very sort of thin edge. It looks quite chunky here, but the very tip of this is very thin. They're good for scraping wallpaper off as well, just an aside. So that if you're wanting to do your drills, particularly for starting edges, you could use this and butt your drills up to start a nice straight line. But you can actually run it in between your drills in your straight lines and get them to stay straight. So yeah, that's a pretty good tool. So that's 5 things there. Okay. Oh, I've got another pen here as well. Wonder why that one's wrapped up. I think it was cold. It's come a long way. So yeah, it got wrapped up in a blanket of stickers. So what's that then? Which placer is that? Oh, that's another 6. How bizarre. Okay, I'm having one of those days today. They are both the same size. Yeah, okay, so we've got 2 6 placers. What did we say? That was a 9 placer and a 3 placer. How odd. Okay, so that's 6. We've got, ooh, oh, right, okay, oh gosh. 2 little green trays. So I'll put these in 5s because then I can count a bit easier. So that's 3. And we've got 10 plates of wax, so that's 15, that's 18. They've counted the stickers, haven't they? 1, 2, 3, 4, by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 40. So that's 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. Oh, I don't know, they've counted 63. 58, 59 with the canvas. Don't know how many grip seal bags are in these. Shall I count them? I'm going to send you all to sleep and count these grip seal bags. Maybe it's the bags and that's just counted as one. Let's see. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And 20 with that one. So we've got 40 grip seal bags. No idea how they've counted this then to get to 63, but anyway, that's what it says. But even so, I mean, it's basically, it's like paying £5.79 and getting a pretty good toolkit, not bad drills, not bad canvas, and then getting this free really. So yeah, it was worth having a look at, worth trying. So that's 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, I suppose, maybe, I don't know. Doesn't really matter, does it? But I just always wonder where they get these things from. I know well, yeah, it is quite a few years ago now when I used to do my card making and buy things from a shop in Telly, and they used to say something was 100 and something elements, and you'd think, wow, and then what you'd get would be like 10 A4 sheets of card with so many elements on it, and they'd counted each single one. So instead of counting it as one sort of A4 card with all the like toppers and elements on it, with all the toppers and pictures on, they'd actually counted each one as an element. Cheating, not good, not happy. I'd sooner they'd just be truthful, because if they tell porcupines lies, you're less likely to go back to them. If you buy a kit and think you've got an absolute bargain because you've got 100 things in it, and then you find out that it's just 10 sheets with 10 things on each to make up the 100, you're going to think, well, blooming heck, that wasn't the bargain I thought it was, and you're less likely to shop with them. Just a thought, maybe it's me. But yes, I'll keep them out because they're going to get a bit squished. These will probably go in my donation box. Oops! Look, that pen that was wrapped up in the blanket has now just jumped off the table and escaped. It's gone. Oh dear. Okay, I definitely shouldn't be unboxing things late on at night. Anyway, I do hope you've enjoyed looking at this with me. It's quite a nice picture. I think it will look better done. I think it looks very blocky and pixelated at the moment, while it's just in its state as it is, and it is the pixel printed one, so it is all looking very square at the moment. Anyway, if you have enjoyed looking at this with me, a thumbs up is always much appreciated, and if you've got any comments or questions, please pop them in the comments down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to come back and see more, see what I get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button and the all notifications bell next to it, you'll be notified when my next videos come out. So thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.